Hey, so if you're thinking about using Reddit Business to increase either your sales, your leads, or just your overall income, I'm gonna say something here right at the outset of this video that's pretty bold. This might be one of the most undervalued traffic sources that exists right now. And honestly, there's no real reason not to at least try it out. By the way, if you wanna get started, there's a link down below in the video description that'll give you the best promotion or kind of basically welcome deal that's available right now. Now, here's why I say what I said before. Not all traffic is created equal. Of course, you've heard that before, but Reddit really proves it because on platforms like TikTok or Instagram, you're basically getting attention, right? But on Reddit, you're getting intent. People are not just scrolling aimlessly, they're actively searching for answers, they're comparing options, they're trying to figure out what to buy, what to trust, and what actually works. That's why you'll see things like best project management tool Reddit, or best supplement Reddit, or is this company legit Reddit? People literally go out of their way to add Reddit to their searches because they want real opinions from real people, real users. That's pretty powerful. Look, when you run ads through Reddit Business, you're stepping into that decision-making process. You're not just hoping to grab attention, you're actually showing up at the exact moment someone is evaluating options. And that alone can make a massive difference in conversion quality. Now, on top of that, Reddit is still relatively underused in the advertising world, which means less competition, more opportunity to stand out, and in many cases, more efficient testing. Plus, the targeting is actually very solid. You can target interests, behaviors, and communities. So if your product, for example, solves a specific problem, you can get very precise with who you're actually reaching. Now, one thing to understand, this platform rewards honesty. So if your ad feels fake or overly salesy, people will call it out. But if you come up with real helpful conversational approaches, that's where Reddit can really outperform expectations, seriously, because the trust level is different there. So overall, Reddit Business is absolutely worth testing. At least try it out. It may or may not work for your business, but the link down below will give you the best deal they have available right now, and I'll see you in the next one.